Patricia, now we have Jina, Miss Katsina. Ladies and gentlemen, Jina, wow, you can see how walking step, Jesus. They are lovely. You can see the Abuja girl, she has banana inside. Please go and keep it for me. A bunch of plantain is 2,000 naira. Now we don't put plantain in our car boot again. We put it on seats. I mean, you have seen it. You now use your seatbelt to protect it. It must not lost. I just had Tammy. Wow. Lagos people. Eko ni Pageant. A doctor. Jina, I trust this one, an Igbo girl. Listen, how old are you?
I am 6 years old.
And when you grow up, what do you want to become?
I want to be a singer.
We have the industry of divine touch here. A singer. Can you sing the song for me?
I think I know one.
You think you know one? What is that one you want? Can you sing it for us?
Yes.
Alright, go ahead. DJ, off that thing. When you were 6 years old, what can you do? Off that thing. Alright, let's hear your song.
Hey, Jesse. Hey, Jesse. It feels like a party every day. Hey, Jesse. Hey, Jesse.
It feels like a party every day. Jina, I am featuring MC Overflow. Please watch out. No piracy. If you are using your video, it will not show it. Jesus name. Give us a song as we go out.
Best singing boss. Ukwara Ifenacho Kindest Reception Class. Ukwara Ifenacho.
He's so here, I know.
Jesse was friendly.
Thank you.
Akon Samson Tehila, neatest.
Mr. Master, Miss Katsina. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for them. Yes, they are coming out in the English attire. Wow.
How many states are there in the geographical zone you present?
There's 7.
What geographical zone?
Katsina.
What geographical zone?
Northwest.
How many states?
7. 12.
Miss Adamawa, follow. Miss and Master Katsina, please follow me. And lastly, Miss and Master Lagos. Thank you very much.
The good morning train is coming. How are you? The good morning train is coming. How are you? The good morning train is coming. Good morning train is coming. The good morning train is coming. How are you? It's coming from me. How are you? It's coming from me. How are you? It's coming from. It's coming from. It's coming from. How are you? It's coming from. How are you? It's coming from. How are you? It's coming from. It's coming from. It's coming from. How are you? It's coming from. How are you? It's coming from. How are you? It's coming from. It's coming from. It's coming to divine touch. How are you? Good morning, everyone. We have a presentation this morning that is titled My Dear Parents, Raise Up Godly name.
Let the children know their family and wonderfully made. Teach them to know who they are in Christ and take their place. Teach their children like what you want them to be. Stop using negative and negative words on your children. Remember there's power in your tongue.
Okay, quickly want to take our graduation anthem, and we want all the pupils and students of the White Church to stand up as we take the graduation anthem. After the count of 2, 1, 2, sing. We are the light of the
world, children of peace and grace. Sorry so high from divine touch, bringing His academy. In divine touch, we can find our path for the future of the world.
Thank you very much.
Thank you and God bless you.
Boy, you know that nothing lasts. Boy, you know that nothing lasts. Boy, you know that.
Oh dear. Ibe. Oh ya lah.
Aisha. Aisha.
My baby boy. Ibe, you're the kindest boy.
I'm outstanding of writing.
Yeah.
I even work to doing downtown.
I know.
Number.
That is it. Yeah. Ife, the honors mom. He's so shy.
Everybody say,
guys, good evening. I'm really teary because before taking up my camera I just had a moment where I kind of reminisced about things and then I took a sip of malt. But so let me just fill you guys in on everything. Okay, pre the event, I went to do my hair. Guys, the hair was so tight, it was painful. Guys, I've cut my whole back hair. I was pulling it and pulling it and pulling it and cutting it because the lady that did my hair dragged my hair to the gauze. Like I've never made hair like that before. My hair was paining me. This whole place was folded. I beg, let me not even talk. I had to just either I loosen the hair or I pull it out, you know. So number two, when we actually got for the, I think I lost a bit of my let me say this way so that the lights can, my face can be bright. So I think I lost a bit of my videos because when I tried to edit, I didn't find some videos, like 1 or 2 videos, and when we're entering the event, but it's fine. So we entered the event and we had to hurry because they were already about to do the pageant, beauty pageant thing, and you know, Jina, I had to go and dress Jina, blah 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 blah, you know, rush, so I couldn't vlog. I started vlogging when she was already standing on the place where they are supposed to stand. That's number one. Number two, I just wanted to talk briefly about Ife's awards. Ife got best in mathematics, most outstanding in mathematics number work. They call it they call mathematics number work for their set, and Ife got the kindest pupil. Guys, like that's why I went into this emotional state before I started vlogging. It's really a big deal for me. It may not, I think it's even more of a big deal than the mathematics thing. Because guys, in this world where we're all just in a hurry, want to live, we're all saying self-love, love yourself first, even though some people misunderstand what self-love is, right? There are still people that can be kind and nice. I was having this discussion with Jina and Ife during our video where we did the cartoons that my kids love. So I was talking about Ife, something led to it. I was talking about Ife being a very nice guy and a very kind guy, and Jina was like, Mom, I'm nice too. And I was like, yeah, you're nice, but Ife has a special kind of niceness that just makes me want to be better in life, right? Ife is the kind of person that, Ife is an empath. Let me use that word, like me. I'm actually an empath. But the difference between me and Ife is that I grew up differently. I allow my kids to be themselves. If you meet me and you see my kids, I allow them to be themselves. I'm not the kind of person that tells you, don't be this, don't do this, don't say this, except you're saying something wrong, yes. But if you're being normal, like, to me, there are some things that kids should say, right? And some people don't allow them to say those kind of things because they say, yeah, kid, you're not supposed to. My kids ask me questions and I tell them I'm sorry when I'm wrong. So back to what I was saying, Ife is an empath like me. The difference is that the way I grew up and the way I'm training my kids is different. I was taught to hold back. I might see you going through pain and I'm feeling the pain. So most of the time I feel pains of other people. I wonder if I had a twin, how it would have been. Hobby is always like, before he used to be like, you're so dramatic, but now he has to understand that this kind of person I am. I'm the kind of person that if I'm walking on you, if I'm driving out and I see a woman on bike with a baby, it's like Ola's their size, or just even Ife and Jina's size, I feel really bad, guys. I start even sometimes crying. I'll be like, why can't God just provide for her, let her be able to get a car? I'm that kind of person. So seeing my son publicly being awarded for being a kind pupil in his school, it just means so much. A mom walked up to me after we received the award and he was like, I just wanted to tell you that you're doing a great job. Like, I'm so happy. Like, for a boy to be the kindest boy in his class, because most times it's girls that get it. You're doing a great job, I was like, no, I didn't do anything. She's like, you don't know you did something, but you actually did. He must have seen it from one of you, either did that or you or both of you, And I'm just really proud of Ife, guys. So for some people, you might feel like I'm bragging or I'm showing up, but this is like my diary. My kids are going to look at these things in future. My grandkids are going to look at this. My great grandkids are going to look at this. So I want them to know that I'm proud of my son. I want people to know I'm proud of Ife. Ife is just a special boy. My kids are special. Like, yeah, I'm ending this vlog here. Don't forget to subscribe, give me big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to show us love. I'm going to be showing Ife and Jina your comment. Don't forget to share if you can. And we all love you guys so much for watching. The kids are in their room. They're arranging clothes. They're folding their clothes. So that's why they're not here. I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next vlog.